Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we are diving deep into the world of Echeveria, a succulent that's beautiful as it's easy to take care of for. And let me tell you, with over 150 species, you are spoiled for choice. Check out these rosette-shaped leaves. Originating from Central America, these plants bring a pop of color and geometry right in your living room. In this video, we're gonna be working on propagating Echeveria. Well, propagating Echeveria is fairly easy. I have this pot here with Echeveria, and I will just cut one of its pops, one of flowers basically, and we will propagate it. Okay, I have this pot setting here. So the largest rosette of Echeveria plant I have right now sits in medium pot. I'm gonna move it into the largest pot. I'm doing this all to free up this small pot, ideally to put our new plant here, right? And this guy from the small pot will go into medium pot. Now I need to take off my large rosette from the medium pot, and I'm gonna do this gently, carefully detaching the roots and soil from the inner side of the pot. I'm gonna use a stick and I'm gonna go around carefully, not to damage rosette leaves because they're very fragile and it can easily be damaged. Now let's take off the whole root system. Gently try to take off the pot from the root system. And look at this root system. I want to say that I just propagate this huge rosette just inserting in this pot, and it was a couple months ago, and look what happened in this couple months. It spreads the roots over the whole volume of the pot, and you can see the small micro roots over here going around this shape of a pot. It's really beautiful, and it actually happened very fast for this plant. So it says that propagating Echeveria is actually easy and very, very fast. This is amazing, and this is what we need for beautiful plant propagation. Speaking of repotting needs, if you see roots coming out of drainage holes or notice the plant looks cramped, it's repotting time. Always go for a pot just an inch or two larger than the current one. In our case, I repot this Echeveria because I just need to set my pot collection in the right place. Okay, moving on to soil. What's the magic mixture? A well-draining cacti or succulent mix. Some organic material for nutrients, and don't forget perlite or sand for that extra drainage. And if you're running out of succulent mix, it's okay to experiment and add some general potting mix for indoor plants. And in my case, I use a little bit of each of those type of dirt or soil. Okay, now I'm just trying to fit this into the pot, and I just want this big rosette sit on the pot for quite a while, aesthetically accomplishing this pot shape with this beautiful green hat on top. So next I'm gonna put this plant into new pot. So I need to take off this one as well. This is the same procedure. I just need carefully to get this plant out of it. And here you go. We have it. Okay, I will keep these pops here. I will see what happens with them. But I'm gonna accomplish this composition in a new pot with new pops actually taken off the larger one. So it's gonna be interesting. Okay, here we have it. Now let's decorate it with some stones. Beautiful, isn't it? And here we go. We approach to the latest one. The smallest one is just fresh cut pop. We're gonna propagate into new small pot we just freed up. Let's put some rocks here and some soil, and here we go. Now, I like this succulent mix, specifically self-expanding succulent mix, when you add some water to it, right? So you need to pick up the right amount of this succulent dust, I would say, right, to put it into the pot. because when you water it, you can see how it expands in the pot, right? It's quite fun, by the way. Echeveria needs to be watered once a week or once per 10 days. It needs to stay in dry and sunny place and requires around 4-5 hours of sun. In case this plant exposed to damp, humid and dark place, its root system may rot. Now remember, I took off some pops from the large rosette, so now I'm going to propagate them. I just need carefully remove the leaves I don't think will fit into the pot. So basically I form the shape of rosette, which I think will fit into the setting, and it's pretty much custom. It's up to you what you want to do with this rosette, with this small pop. So it will accomplish beautiful composition, and they will grow next to each other. They will form beautiful flower shape, and we'll see actually how it goes in a few weeks. So stay with me here on channel and you will see the video. I will show you how this plant growing. I will show you the progress, and let's enjoy beauty together. So there you have it, folks. The Echeveria, a plant that offers so much and asks for so little indeed. Perfect for your busy lifestyle and love for plants. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more plant care tips. Until next time, keep those thumbs green.